Alright, we're going to remove this text right here from an SVG because it's too thin. First thing is to unhide your box sketch that we have. Select it, extrude it. Your start plane is going to be from object. So if we zoom in, select that, you can extrude the box up and it will cut the text out. And you can just hide the sketch again. And we're going to create another sketch. Go to create again. And do text. Text box. Bag code. And 4mm is good for that. Hit OK. Finish sketch. Select your text. Extrude it. I think we did 2.5. And you can join that.